Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to transfer your credits from your Temu account to another account and whether or it's not actually possible. So without further ado, let's dive in. First, open your Temu app and head over to your profile or account section. Once you're there, locate your credits balance. Now, the important question is, can you transfer your credit balance to another Temu account? Unfortunately, the answer is no. However, there's an alternative solution that might help. Let me first explain why transferring credits isn't allowed. If you tap on the little information icon, usually found in the upper right corner, you will see the details about your Temu credit balance. Scroll down to the section that addresses the question, can I transfer my credit balance to another Temu account? And hear what it says. Sorry, you can't transfer your credit balance from one Temu account to another Temu account. However, when I reached out to the support center for more clarification, they kindly explained that if you had a credit in another account, you can view and use it after switching accounts. So, while direct transfer between accounts aren't possible, you can still access and use the credit by logging into the account where the credits are stored. That's simply how the policy works on Temu. While it not be the solution some of you were hoping for, I hope this explanation helped you make the most of your credits by using them within their respective account for purchase and promotion. So, that's it. I hope this information was helpful. Good luck.